Hello guys, let me show you using potted plants for decorating a small patio. With smaller patios 10 by 12 feet or less, the goal is to create a cozy and welcoming settings using strategically placed furniture, decor and greenery. Create a green backdrop. In most patio settings formations, some guests will be stuck with a view of a bare wall or fence. Add some visual interest either by installing a green wall or by placing tall potted plants along the edge of the patio behind your seating. Pay attention to scale. When you are working with a small space, it's important to ensure that none of your elements overwhelm the area or each other. For example, if you want to use a potted plants as a counterprise for your patio dining table, make sure there is enough room around the pot for all your place settings. Wine glasses plus a little extra for serving dishes and pitchers. The highest should also never be so tall that your guests can't see the person sitting across from them. Add natural fragrance. Nothing makes a space more investing than good looks and sweet scents. Spotted jasmine is excellent for decorating your patio while also releasing a light, gorgeous aroma in the air. Guests will never want to leave. Consider night blooming jasmine for added evening appeal. Use bold plant as fossil paints, a large potted tropical to establish or frame a space while setting a particular vibes for your patio. You can show off your tallest, showiest tropical like this all summer and move them indoor in the fall. Hope you really like these small patio decorating ideas. Thanks for watching.